Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 4b. Practice for Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah. Don't say Bismillah. Lam is thin here. Can you repeat after me once? Bismillah. Bismillah. That's natural. Let's take the next word. Ar-Rahmani. Let's break it first. Ra should be thick here. Repeat thrice. Ar-Ra. 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 Now join it with Ha. Ar-Rah. 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 The next one is Ma. There should be no nasal sound here. How do you check it? Press your nose and leave it repeatedly when you recite. If the voice breaks, then you are having nasal sound. So the wrong is Ma. No. And the right sound is Ma. You should speak with your mouth, not with your nose. So repeat after me 3 times. Ma. 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 Let's recite the whole word. Ar-Rahmani. 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 Now when you join, some people suppress Ha. They say Bismillahir Rahman. The Ha is gone. No, Ha should be clear. So can you repeat after me? Bismillahir Rahmani. Bismillahir Rahmani. Bismillahir Rahmani. Bismillahir Rahmani. While teaching, we may emphasize more, but everything should be normal when you recite every day. The last word is Ar-Rahim. Let's break it first. Ra should be thick here and Ha sound should be clear. So repeat after me. Ar-Ra. 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 And then Heem. 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 Let's take the word Ar-Rahim. 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 Let's take the 2 words together. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Let's recite the whole verse once. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.